We've been hoodwinked into the feeling that we exist only inside our skins. We need to experience ourselves in such a way that we could say that our real body is not just what's inside the skin, but our whole total external environment. That we need a new kind of consciousness. But we do have in our minds, you see, the idea that nature is somehow outside us. The universe doesn't let you in on the truth that all sense experiences are vibrations of the self. The Chinese word for nature they call zhiran. And this expression means of itself so. What happens of itself. Your hair grows by itself. You don't have to think how to grow it. Your heart beats by itself. You don't have to make up your mind how to beat it. Sitting quietly, doing nothing, spring comes and grass grows of itself. Tao means the course of nature. Nature, human nature included, is an organism. And an organism is a system of orderly anarchy. There is no boss in it, but it gets along by being left alone and being allowed to do its stuff. Do you criticize the valleys for being low, praise the peaks for being high? You just say it's great, it's the way it is. The idea of natural order is like this patterns on foam, patterns in jade, the shapes of the clouds, the shapes of trees and mountains. They are orderly, but we cannot put our finger on the order. We know it's orderly, but we don't know why. Here is a conception of nature as something you must trust.